Hi, students of Special Ed 612, Social, Legal, Ethical Issues in Special Education. I am your professor, Dr. Teresa Pedersen, and I'm just gonna always put up a video each week that walks through Blackboard and just gives some hints or ideas or concepts about how to be successful for the content for that particular week. Okay, so I believe that most, if not all of you, have worked through the introduction discussion, and I really, really enjoyed reading those, and I really enjoyed responding to them. So I will, and once we get past Wednesday, which is the due date of that by the third day of class, I'll go ahead and score those and get the grades up as soon as possible. So here we are in Module 1. And it is the legal system overview and special education history. Please remember this alert that your NWC email is the only way that we will communicate with you. And so it's really important that you be checking that. And most of you have taken several classes, and so you know that, but it's just a reminder. Okay, so you've got some required readings. These readings are all in the Yale 2019 text, The Law in Special Education, 5th edition. It's a pretty standard text. I think it's super approachable, easy to understand, and depending on which program you're in, it really gives you some good information that you'll need for those administrative candidates. Maybe special education is not your area and you need sort of a run-up just to give you all the overview. And for those special education master's candidates, you probably have more knowledge, having taken more special ed classes, but maybe this perspective will be a little bit different for you. Also, you're going to be watching this video. Please remember that it is part of the history context of current special ed practices, and the content is pretty graphic, so just be aware there is a warning there. And then you've got, of course, always the supplemental readings and resources that you can look through if you would like to as well. Your first discussion question here, of course, it's going to use the rubric. I'll use the rubric to score it. And I would say that of all of the discussion questions of this class, this one, it might not be as in-depth as some of the other ones, and I will take that into consideration. But I will expect you to respond to each other with some substantial comments, questions, and dialogue. And then the assignment here, 1.2 assignment, which is a case analysis. And you're going to be analyzing court decisions. And here we have 4 decisions that you can pick from, and you will choose 2 of them to analyze. And there is a template linked here that you're going to be using to do this work. And here, this video is super helpful. It talks about reading a case and understanding what it means. And then also this Wright's Law, Special Education Case Law, that website is a great place in order to find the case law for the 2 that you are going to select. And we also have a questions post, a place where you can post a question that you think might maybe other people might have it, and you can absolutely use that. However, I would love it also if you would email me. You can also text me. I'm very easy to get in touch with, and I just want to kind of go back and show you. I do have an Iowa phone number, even though I live in Colorado Springs now, but you are welcome to email me to set up a time to chat. You can text me and ask for an appointment. I would just ask that you not directly phone me without having an appointment, just because I want to be available to you. And during the day, I'm an instructional coach. I'm super busy. And then in the evening, I have lots of family things. So I can make time for you, but I want to make sure that you have my full attention. I do have office hours on Tuesday from 7 to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, and Sunday from 3 to 5 Central Standard Time. And so during those times, you are welcome to make an appointment and we can do a Zoom or a phone, or you're welcome to just call me during those times as well, because that would be open office hours. Okay, so that is all I have to do for today. Please make sure that you uh, reach out to me if you need anything. Super interested in what you have to say. I will read your assignments very carefully. I will get them back to you quickly. If I feel like you've missed the mark on an assignment, I will always offer the opportunity to redo it or add to it in order to improve your score. I know busy professionals sometimes, get it's just not a great week, that particular assignment you maybe had to rush through. I would much rather have you ask me for an extension. There's no points off for that. So if you need an extension to do your absolute most amazing best work, just please reach out to me for that. I do pray for you each day by name. I have all of your names up on my notes app in my phone, so be aware of that. So if you have a specific prayer request and you want to reach out to me, that would be amazing. So thank you so much, and please take care. Have a wonderful night and a great week.